Welcome to PropWeb, and today we are here at Piramal Mahalakshmi with this premium and luxury property at Mahalakshmi by Piramal Realty. And today I'll be showing you the 3 BHK sample flat, which is premium and luxury. We are standing here on the 20th floor, and as you can see, the whole of Mahalakshmi and South Mumbai can be seen from your 3 BHK apartment and from the 20th floor. So this is the view that you'll be getting. There are 3 entries to this project. So as you can see, in terms of connectivity, Mahalakshmi railway station, approximately 2 to 5 minutes walking distance, you can connect to the Mahalakshmi railway station. You get the view of beautiful Mahalakshmi race course, and the coastal road also can be connected in around approximately 10 minutes. Apart from that, from the other side, you get the view of Eastern Sea Link Road, and you also get Sant Gadge Maharaj monorail station at the entrance of this project, which will take you directly to Chembur. So that is also very convenient, and in terms of connectivity, it is very efficient. So you can see that you are in the prime location of South Mumbai. Atal Setu can also be connected in just 15 minutes from Shivri station approximately. So this was about the connectivity. It also is in the major area where renowned schools, colleges and hospitals are found, like Lala Lajpat Rai, Sophia's College and hospitals like Apollo. These all fall under the near vicinity of this project. So this was about the location Mahalakshmi. Now I will show you the rest of it. So now we are getting into the premium luxury 3 BHK sample flat, moving in, and this is our premium and spacious foyer area that takes care of immense privacy for you and your family members. And right next, we're getting into the servants' quarters that can also be converted into your puja ghar. Also comes with the attached washroom, as you can see right here, and also has an entrance door to your kitchen. Now we are entering into our double platform kitchen, which is very well utilized and gives you enough space for your compartments also, and comes with the utility area for your washing machine and other storage spaces. The floor to ceiling height for this apartment is 11 feet. Now right opposite, we are entering into our first bedroom, that is the common bedroom. Again, very glamorous and well utilized and very beautifully decorated also. Comes with attached washroom, premium fittings and vitrified tilings given to you the same way. Talking about the project now, this is a very low density project with 3 towers spread across 4 acres of the land parcel. The 3 towers are divided into south, central and north. South being a G+49 story building, and central being the most premium story building that has duplex and penthouses available. It is a G+50 story building, and north being the tallest, that is a G+66 story building, starting from the 2 levels of basement parking and with the double heighted lobby, 8 levels of podium parking. B8 and P9 is for your amenities area. The amenities are divided into indoor and open sky with tower specific amenities also available. Some of the key amenities are infinity swimming pool, jacuzzi, multi-purpose court, double size gym, yoga deck, pilates room, etc. So you're getting all the premium and luxury amenities here with over 45,000 square feet clubhouse. So this was about the project. They have 2, 3 and Jodi flats available, and the carpet area for this specific apartment is 1450 square feet. So this is our premium and luxury living room that has the living area, which is also very expansive, and the royal dining area for your dining seater. Also, as I was talking about, the view that you're getting from this side is the Eastern Sea Link Road. Now right here we are entering into the first bedroom, that is our common bedroom, which is again very glorified and glamorous, as you can see here, very well utilized, and you get full length windows for ventilation and a beautiful view. Here is your walk-in closet, and we are getting into the attached washroom that gives you premium fittings and vitrified tilings. Right in front we have our common washroom, which again comes with branded fittings. And now we're getting into our bedroom debut, which is again very elegant and exquisite. You can see it is so luxurious, and here you get the L-shaped full-length windows for beautiful view and ventilation. Of course, comes with attached washroom that has premium fittings and vitrified tilings for you, given to you the same way. So this was our 3 BHK sample flat, which is premium and luxury for you by Piramal Realty, and the pricing here for 2 BHK is starting from 5.33 CR and 3 BHK starting from 8.56 CR, all inclusive. For booking purpose and site visit, contact us today on the given details below.